Hello, this is Melanie from the Marine Ad Network. Today I'm going to show you how to install an Ads.Txt file to your WordPress site. So to start, go ahead and get logged into your WordPress site. As you can see, I'm already in the back end of my Marine Ad Network WordPress site. I'm going to go to the left-hand toolbar and I'm going to go to the plugin section and I'm going to click Add New. And while we're waiting for that to pop up, we're going to go over here and we're going to click Search Plugins and we're going to type in Ads.Txt. Right, and the one you're looking for is Ads.Txt Manager. So you can see here the one that I have up in the middle. That's the one we're going to install. So go ahead and click Install Now. Okay, once you have that installed, go ahead and click Activate. And while you're waiting for that to activate, you can go ahead and open up the Notepad file that we've sent you, the text file. As you can see right here, I have it opened up on Notepad. This is the text file that I'm going to install to my WordPress site. So you can have that up and ready to copy and paste. As you can see now, I have my Ads.Txt Manager installed and activated. So I'm going to go back to the left-hand toolbar and I'm going to click Settings and I'm going to click on Ads.Txt. We're going to wait for that to open up. And this is where I will simply copy and paste my text file. So I'm going to go to Notepad. I'm going to copy the whole file. There we go. Copy. And we're going to go back over to our WordPress site and we're going to click Paste. So now that I have that all pasted, I'm going to click Save Changes. And you might get some warnings saying that it doesn't appear to be a valid tag ID or it doesn't appear to be a valid exchange item. Just go ahead and click Update anyway and click Save Changes. Okay, as you can see, my Ads.Txt file is saved. So now when I go to marineadnetwork.net/ads.txt, that text file should show up right there for me. As you can see, it's now showing up. Everything was installed correctly, and that's all you have to do. So again, this is how to install an Ads.Txt file on a WordPress site.